Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating the anchors X cell will jump to. Select the cell or range you want as a bookmark and press Ctrl plus Shift plus F3 to define a name. Give it a concise name like Sales Q1 or Summary so you can find it fast. Once done, check Formula's Name Manager to confirm the entry. Make sure Calculation Mode stays automatic so formulas that reference the range update. This keeps your links reliable. Now create the actual bookmark links. Select the cell, text, or shape you'll click. Right-click and choose Link, then pick Place in this document. Select the named range you made. You can add a screen tip to explain the jump. Once created, test the link by holding Ctrl and clicking. It should jump instantly to that named range. If you want multiple bookmarks, repeat. Consistent naming makes navigation predictable and maintainable as your workbook grows. Finish by organizing and testing all bookmarks. Open Formula's Name Manager to edit targets or remove obsolete names, then update any hyperlinks that point to them. Make sure sheet names didn't change. If they did, reassign the link to the current range. As a troubleshooting tip, if a link stops working, check Name Manager first. Most breakages are due to renamed sheets or deleted ranges. Keep a contents sheet listing bookmarks so teammates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.